Hey everyone, Michael here. Today I'm going to give you guys an updated tutorial on how to do copy trading on Fairdesk. A lot of you guys had a few questions about the last one, so I wanted to make sure you guys understand exactly step by step how to get signed up. So once you guys have made your account and you guys have deposited some of your money in there, you guys are going to go up here to copy trade. Maybe move my chart over here right there to copy trade, and then it's going to open up this page. So from here, you guys are going to look for different copy traders that you guys like. Most of you guys are just going to be choosing the top ones that have the best win rates and the best follower profits. I myself are going to be looking for people that have the best 3-week win rate and how much money are their followers making, okay? Now, when you guys go on and you guys click to see what these guys are about, you guys are going to come down here and you're going to see their past trades. And there's going to be a couple different styles here. This, I think, is the most common, okay? Alexander makes his guys a lot of money. He does very well for them, but this is how he does it. You guys can see right here, as far as the close time and the open time, a lot of these positions were opened up around the same time. So within the first few minutes of each other. Now, what this means is if you guys go over here and you guys choose to copy him, this is how you guys are going to have to set this up. If you guys want to just follow his Bitcoin and Ethereum positions, you guys can just check these off here and you guys are only going to be following the Bitcoin and Ethereum positions. That's normally how I like to go. When it comes to position mode, leave this as isolated. This means you guys aren't going to be worried about, other wallets being in trouble of being liquidated if for some reason something went terribly wrong, okay? Now, here's what you guys have to do. When it comes to leverage, I want you guys to keep it as customized. You guys can follow the trader if you want to. And again, if you want to copy him, he just has 20s, okay? But if you guys are a little bit more cautious, you guys can just have it customized to 10. So no matter what leverage he uses on his trade, you guys are only going to be doing a max of 10x. If he does a 5x leverage, guess what? You're still doing a 10x. So this is cemented right here. Now, as far as the follow mode, there are a few different ways right here, and I got a little bit more details on how each of these work. The majority of you guys are going to be using the fixed amount. Now, here's the thing I need you guys to understand. When you're copy trading somebody, you're just copying their opening price and their closing price, okay? You're copying their trade basically, right? Now, you can see that this guy had a bunch of trades all around the same time. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who knows how many were before? So let's say he had a total of 10 trades within a few minutes. What's actually happening right now is he's doing 10, 15 different positions. So if you guys only have $200 in your account, that means that you guys should technically only be doing about $5 a fixed amount following him. Because again, if he's doing 10, 15 different trades, let's just choose 10 for now, that's 10 $5 trades at a 10x leverage, okay? So that's 10 times the 5, which is 50, times the leverage of 10, that's about $500 right there. So I would say you guys only want to do about $5 right there if you guys only have $200. Otherwise, what you can do is lower your leverage to 5 and move up this fixed amount to 15 or perhaps $20. And that way, as they do multiple trades, trade after trade after trade, you're going to be able to accumulate the same amount of profit they are, okay? Now, you guys can go back over here and you guys can see there's a reason why there's a whole bunch of small accumulations here, because all these trades were done at basically the same amount of time. And so as we kind of go back over here, what is this? 837, 837, 836. Yeah, it's all within a few minutes of time. You can see 18 bucks, 18. You want to be able to capture all of this. If you guys only trading with 5, 10 bucks, of course, you're not going to make about $18 in profit every single time. However, what I would suggest, if you guys only have a limited amount of money, find a trader on here who is not doing as many trades all in a row, but who's just doing 1 or 2 trades like that and then buying and selling. That way you guys don't have to worry about having enough capital in there. All right. If you go over here, you can see this guy, he has a bunch of shorts open, or he did have a bunch of shorts open. Same concept. 257, 257 again, right? A lot of trades all through here, and they all made really good money. But if you guys aren't having your fixed amount be something small, and I mean, again, if you have 200 bucks in your account, you only want to be trading with like 15, 10, $20, okay? Probably even $10. Leverage 10, that works fine. And then as far as the stop loss and the target price, I do not mess with these. I let the person close and open the positions. And this is usually just because I trust them because of their record. If you guys want to say, hey, if I am up 5%, I want to sell. If I'm up if I'm down 5%, I want to sell there for a stop loss. You can do that. Normally, in my experience, if you do mess with this, most people lose money because they don't completely understand the trading style of the copy trader. You would have to go back in time, look at their trades, and understand why they are trading like this over and over and over again, which can be very tedious, okay? So to sum this up, you guys are mostly likely just going to want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum with these guys. If you guys care about XRP, ADA, and BNB, by all means, go for it. However, with customized leverage, you guys are going to do customize and choose whatever leverage you guys want to. If the person does 20 normally, you guys can follow them if you want to, but I'd say just have it anchored down that you guys know what you're going to be doing. For the follow mode, ignore margin just because that can fluctuate a little bit because it determines, it's based off of how much margins in your account. Multiplier, that's the simple one. This is, half of their trade, 1 times their trade, 1.5 times their trade, 2 times their trade. Just do the fixed amount, save yourself some time, and make sure you understand that they're doing multiple trades a day. So if you guys have $5,000 in your account, what do you call it? Still, do like $50 or $100, probably just $50 there, and then let them do the trades. You guys aren't going to be putting as much capital as you think into the copy traders because since they're doing so many trades per day, it's going to be hard for your account to keep up with them because eventually you're just going to run out of money to put into these types of trades.